Welcome to WM Originals. Hi, I am a content creator. Confused about softwares, their usage? Now say goodbye to all your troubles because you have met WM Originals. Our mission is simplify the usage of software, their updates. Watch our videos at WM Originals YouTube channel. Or contact at webitmanoriginals@gmail.com.
Have you ever thought how much time will it take to make videos like that? Or which is the best animated video maker software for PC? And how you can also make animated videos like that for yourself? Well, if you want to make animated videos like that, this video is for you. Watch this video full, and today I will show you all how you can make animated videos like that in minutes. So do watch this video full, and if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more videos like this. Hey folks, Akhil here from WM Originals, and today I am going to share step-by-step tutorial for top animation software for Wondershare, which you can use to make animation videos for yourself. Here I am talking about Wondershare Anireel, with which you can easily create amazing animated explainer videos. Using Anireel's ready-to-use elements and scenes, you can effortlessly make animated videos for knowledge sharing, sales and marketing, e-learning and more. It has tons of drag and drop characters, actions, props, text and audio assets that you can use in your animation videos. You can also turn your scripts to video in just one click, and there are tons of templates that will fit your script. Just choose your script type and content, and your animated video will be ready. Let's give it a try, and for that click on try it free. Download starts, and once done, click on downloaded file to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation. Once done, click on start to open Wondershare Anireel. Here it is, so easy to get started with. Here we have option to create new project. Down here it will have recent projects. We can open a project from here, and from here we can select video dimensions. If you want to create widescreen videos for YouTube, or 1:1 ratio videos for Instagram, or 9:16 ratio videos for portraits such as TikTok, YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. We also have a script to animation, which is in beta for now but works perfectly. From here we can turn our scripts into animation in just one click, and trust me, it makes your work so easy. Here it has templates for product promo, company intro, promotion campaign, how to explainer, COVID-19 related or storytelling templates. So let's start by clicking on create and then click on use this script. Here is the best thing. We have pre-ready script which we can use for our video. Here in first scene, just add company name and it's ready. Same way we can make edit to second scene, I am content creator. And then next scene. Same way edit other scenes, and you can also edit full scene and add your own script just like this. Here in last scene, I want to make full changes so I can edit full line. Once done, click on generate and let Anireel do its magic. Within few seconds, it will be ready with our video. Here we have Anireel video editor. From here we can preview it for first.
Welcome to WM Originals. Hi, I am a content creator. Confused about softwares, their usage? Now say goodbye to all your troubles because you have met WM Originals. Our mission is simply the usage of software, their updates. Contact at webitmanoriginals@gmail.com.
And if you are happy with it, we can export it by clicking on export. But if you want to make further edits, we can do it from here. We can also make changes to script from here or minimize it. And here we have canvas at middle. At bottom we have video timeline. On right side we have different scenes from our video, and on left we have elements that we can use to make edits to video. Now let's get started with editing scenes. Here in timeline we have all scenes and then we can also make edits to single scene by clicking on this. Here it has different elements in timeline which we can edit or make changes to. For first, let's delete this element, and for that right click on it and then select del to delete it. We may have also replaced it with other prompts, but I will change it with my own image, and for that click on import. It opens file picker. Selected this image. Once imported, just drag and drop it to canvas. Now we can resize it and move it around to place it here. We can also move it around on timeline to change its appearance in scene. From here we can also send it to back or move it to front. We can also add effects for enter and exit from here. Now let's change this text. For that, selected it, and now from here we can change font style, its size, can also change its color. We can also have enter and exit effect for text from here. Now let's move it to have text here. Once done, we can preview scene by clicking on this.
Welcome to WM Originals.
Now our first scene is ready. Let's move to second scene. Well, let's add a character to our video. For that, click on character. And now from here we can add any of these characters available. Let's add this, and for that just drag and drop it to canvas. We can resize it and move it around to place it wherever we want to. From here we can mirror flip our character. We can move it to back or bring it to front from here. We can change its pose from here. We have so many choices over here. Let's select this explain pose. We can also add enter and exit effect for character. We can also add motion path to character to have it move around in scene. Just move this and this will create motion path for our character. And once done, let's preview it.
Hi, I am a content creator.
Now this scene is also ready. Now let's move to next scene.
Confused about softwares, their usage?
It's perfect. Well, I want to add another scene, and for that let's duplicate a scene. We can duplicate a scene by clicking on this. Now we can drag it to have it before the last scene. We can delete all the props and add this image from assets. We can add text to our scene from here. We can change text, its color from here. Can also change its font style from here. Adding this prop to scene, we can resize text and prop to fit it. Once done, let's preview it. It's ready, but we need voiceover. Well, we can use text to speech here also, and for that click on this. Enter the text here in text box. We can select language from here. Select gender. From here we can select voice. Let's select jack speaker. From here we can change speed and pitch. After this we can preview it by clicking on this. It starts generating.
Watch our videos at WM Originals YouTube channel.
Once done, click on add to timeline. It gets added to scene. Let's preview it.
Watch our videos at WM Originals YouTube channel.
Perfect. Our scene is ready. Here is our last scene now.
Contact at webitmanoriginals@gmail.com.
It's perfect. No changes required. Finally, our video is ready. Let's export it, and for that click on export. From here we can give it a name, change directory where we want to save our video. Let's select desktop. We can select video resolution from here. After that click on export. It starts exporting, and once done we can click on open in folder to open its location, or can also view it directly from desktop.
Welcome to WM Originals. Hi, I am a content creator. Confused about softwares, their usage? Now say goodbye to all your troubles because you have met WM Originals. Our mission is simplify the usage of software, their updates. Watch our videos at WM Originals YouTube channel. Or contact at webitmanoriginals@gmail.com.
This is how easily you can also make animated videos for yourself, and the best thing is that Wondershare Anireel is almost free. I have been using it since its launch and can say it's the best animated video maker software for PC. I will highly recommend you try it out if you want to make animated videos for yourself, and if you want to, check the link in description and pin comment. Now let's talk about Wondershare Anireel pricing and offers, and for that let's move back to official website. Here we are on official website now, and from here click on buy now, and here we have monthly and annual bundles. You can choose these as per your requirement. Well, being a WM Originals viewer, if you follow the link in description and pin comment, you can get a special 50% discount on monthly and yearly bundles. This discount offer is for limited time, so what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start making animated videos with Anireel. One more thing, it's currently in beta and getting better with each update. There are many features which will be added in future updates, and one of them being is character lip sync. The lip sync feature can synchronize the movement of your character lips with voiceover. Is not that fantastic? I just love the capabilities Wondershare Anireel comes with and will highly recommend you. What about you? Share your views in comments and what you will like to be added in future updates. This is what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to WM Originals and hit that bell icon to know first about our future tutorials and giveaways. This is Akhil saying goodbye for now. See you all in the next video.